Welcome back. We're just driving down. We're on the road now.
Oh, you got a block of wood stuck in between your tires, eh?
Pull over. Put the signal on.
You got a block of wood in your fucking tire.
We have block of wood in the tires. We have block of wood in the tires. Not too
Go
good.
ahead.
What's going on here, bud? Whoa, big nugget. Look at that. Big nugget in the tires. Holy frig. Pull over.
Got big stone in there. Start careful.
Pull over that. You have a car coming. One more trying to get stolen out of the tires. Not by an F-350. Pulling the lawnmower. Stolen the fucking doesn't sound good. Not very busy road. People crash at this corner here. That's the corner I'm talking about. Near my Mud Lake Road. On lots of property. Cheap prices of wood. Go ahead.
Oh! More!
More! Keep it going! Bit more! Ain't there!
Oh!
We have my hands back up it. Try to hammer it out a bit. Oh. Get it out!
Come here and get her out!
Boys all the way. Yeah, man. On the side of the road, trying to get a stone out of the tire. It's a dually, so got jammed in between.
Must be a four. Oh yeah, I see jammed in there, good.
Might drain some air to the tires.
Oh yeah, that's a bit of rock with it.
Might drain some air to the tires. You want a chance driving it?
Get it out when you can. I think it's gonna fall out.
Oh! Stone don't come out, so we're gonna
Spread your tire
just
there.
try it anyways.
Jack it up, no.
Jack it up under the tire, under the bolts.
No, you jack it out and put the concrete underneath. You're not going to hold it up.
No, so under the tire, loose the
Yeah, they all fucking pop off.
Oh, yeah. So we're gonna take tire off our home, probably going on YouTube too.
We're gonna put the flashes on.
Don't forget to subscribe! Guys, do not forget to subscribe!
We're driving like on a roll. So down, 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 down.
Nice breeze out on the Ford. Back at the track. Vehicles coming around in the corners 100 miles an hour. Look at that Chevy. Those are that thing out of the road. It's a Chevy. No good.
His window's open.
Yeah. Yep, traffic crafts. Market our fields up there. Neighbor's bush. We usually go mudding, me and my friends. If you want to check out my YouTube, you can check out Jeremy's Autos and Brandon Wasner's. They have some pretty good mudding videos going up. Swamping and yeah, some pretty good stuff. Swamping, mudding. Yeah. Another field, and we're at our neighbors now with the traffic craft and the dually diesel. Here we are, we're going to unload at our property. And hopefully everything goes good. Where's this truck?
Not good. Where's the back missing up, sir? Hopefully that you get back. Watch his car.
Oh! Broke the lawnmower. The front wheel passed us. The front wheel passed us. He was like, wow. Okay then. Here we go.
Drop walk off. Yeah, walk off right in the front.
Miss Trusscraft.
Yeah.
Put it out of gear and everything.
It was welded. Somebody welded it. Hang on there.
Yes, spare parts. Spare parts.
Here, prop that wheel under there. Yeah. Or prop, no.
See, we could have drove it out like that.
No, go ahead, Victor. Go ahead. Yeah, you ground the tire. Okay. Oh,
Not bad. Coming. I am.